how to add contacts to your Google account. So I'm going to show you how you can add individual or multiple contacts to Google. So the first thing you need to do is open up an internet browser. I'll just be using Safari. Now in the address bar, you need to type in contacts.google.com and then press enter. Now make sure you're signed in to your Google account, and from this window, you should be able to see all of your contacts. Now to go and add new contacts, click on the plus icon and click on create a contact. Now from here, you can just go and fill out all of these different fields. Once you finish, click save in the top right hand side, and that's how you go and add individual contacts. To add multiple contacts or to go and upload a file of contacts, you can click on the plus icon, click on create multiple contacts, click on import contacts, click select a file, and then just go and upload the file that contains all of your contacts, and you can go and upload multiple contacts to your Google account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.